Supers, look! It's the garbage truck. Let's smash a pumpkin for them. Watch this!
Yay!
Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! What is that, Super Kid?
Bucket truck!
Save the pumpkins, Supers! Hurry! The garbage truck needs our help. Supers to the rescue! Let's go!
This is spooky! Powering up with super gloves. We're having adventures. It's super fun! Super Krew!
Hooray!
Whoa! Super Kid, what's this?
A spooky garbage truck!
It's a spooky garbage truck. That's super! We have to go save these pumpkins from the spooky monsters. And guess what? We're also gonna smash the pumpkins before the garbage truck picks up the trash. Let's go!
Look! The spooky monster stole the pumpkins.
Uh-oh.
What will we do? Let's take our garbage truck and find the silly monsters.
Whoa, Super Kid! What is that?
Spooky hell!
I found our pumpkins. Let's get it. Come on, get your pumpkin. Good job. We got it back. Let's put it in the garbage truck. Come on.
Hooray!
You did it! We saved one of the pumpkins. The recycle truck is safe now. Hurry and find the next spooky monster.
Whoa! What is that, Super Kid?
Bucket truck!
It's a spooky train, and it has our pumpkins. Let's go get it, Super Kid. Oh no! Let's move the garbage truck. There it is. All right, Super Kid. Get our pumpkins. Whoa, spooky train. Whoa, run, Super Kid.
Hurry, hurry! We gotta catch the garbage truck.
Look, we both have our pumpkins. We rescued them from the spooky monsters. Here comes the garbage truck. Are you ready, Super Kid? Here we go.
Run, Supers! Yay! More pumpkins saved! There's more silly monsters to find. Let's find some more. Oh no! It's Mr. Spooky! He told the spooky monsters to take the pumpkins. Let's get back to work.
Whoa! Super Kid, what is that?
Bucket dragon, spooky dragon!
It's a spooky dragon. Uh-oh. Let's rescue it. Come on. Get your pumpkin! He has our pumpkin! I got it! Let's put it in the garbage truck!
Woohoo! That's 3 pumpkins rescued! The recycle and garbage truck are almost ready to smash some pumpkins! Show the recycle truck our pumpkin we saved for them. Hurry and find the last one!
Hooray!
Hey, it's the spooky garbage truck. We almost have all your pumpkins. Keep up the trash collecting.
Whoa, Super Kid, do you see that spooky monster? pumpkin! Let's go rescue it. Come on. Spooky.
Uh-oh.
Super Kid, watch out with the spider. Watch out, Super Kid. You're doing awesome. Get the pumpkin. Oh, I found mine. Okay, let's go. Oh, you need help. Come on. Oh, good job. Let's go. Let's go. Get away from the spider web. Run. Save the pumpkin, Super Kid. They're dumping all the trash. We saved another pumpkin. Woohoo!
Do you know what time it is, Supers? It's pumpkin smashing time!
We're gonna smash this pumpkin before the garbage truck gets here.
Hooray!
Okay, Super Kid, go ahead, smash it. Whoa! Yes! It's not working, Super Kid. We need to throw it down. Here we go. Whoa! Hit it! Woohoo!
Rip it open!
Ew!
It's squishy inside.
Whoa! Supers, look! It's the garbage truck. Let's smash a pumpkin for them. Watch this! Whoa! Yeah!
Hello.
Thanks, Garbage Crew. Let's get our trash truck ready. Oh, hey! Don't miss our pumpkin trash bags. Here you go, Garbage Crew. Thanks for helping us today.
We did it, Supers. We rescued all the pumpkins for the garbage truck.
We gotta catch the garbage truck. Woohoo!
Hooray!
See you later, spooky monsters.
Goodbye.
Hey, Super Baby. Are you in the garbage truck?
Hello.
Whoa! This is spooky! Whoa! I see something spooky on a tree and a spooky kitty cat. Look at that, Supers. It's a pumpkin scarecrow. Wow! Whoa! Look at the garbage truck!
I see 2 trash trucks and a Super Kid with a spooky garbage truck.
Can you make funny face like this? Show Supers. Show them.
Let me see your funny face. Ha 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 ha! You're so funny.
Whoa, this is spooky.
Look, it's raining. Rain or shine, the garbage truck is on time.
Yay!
Whoa! Supers, we had an awesome time today with our spooky garbage truck. See you later. Bye. Powering up with super gloves. We're having adventures. It's super fun. Super Crew.
Hooray!